Sushi from Tokyo Central. Seafood inari. Tuna, shrimp, salmon. Mixed nigiri. First bite. Eel. Some kind of whitefish. I'm not completely sure what it is. It might be escalar. I'm actually not sure if it's squid. It's like a little crunchy and chewy. Beautiful piece of salmon. Ginger. Yellowtail. Tuna. I usually don't like tuna, so I'm just gonna eat half of this. Tamago. Salmon roe. I usually don't like this one either. It's just so like fishy with popping boba sensation, but I'm gonna eat it anyways. It's so salty. Not for me. These I don't like, so I'm leaving for my husband, aka my trash can. So I believe this is albacore, scallop, shrimp, and half of the tuna. Salmon. Scrimp. Tuna. I'm just not a tuna person. One more bite though. Also gonna leave this for my human trash can.